Maize is the staple crop in Africa, and the impact from genetically modified maize can be huge if it is cultivated in a sustainable manner and managed correctly. Our group does biosafety research on genetically modified crops. It is the only group in the whole developing world that does research on environmental impacts of GM crops, on its sustainable use, on socio-economic aspects. And we feel responsible for the rest of Africa because we are the only group in Africa that is doing work on all these things I mentioned. Other African governments, including our own, use our results when they make regulatory decisions, whether to approve or disapprove certain GM crop events. It is impossible to distinguish genetically modified plants in the field, and for that reason test strips was developed to test for the protein in the leaf tissue. This is the scourge of African maize production systems. Genetically modified BT maize was developed with one sole purpose in mind, and that was to kill moth pests like this worm you see here. The benefits are that crops will suffer significantly lower yield loss because the pests can't feed on the maize crop. But if this technology is managed incorrectly, like has been the case in South Africa, it loses its functionality and farmers cannot benefit anymore, and they actually start losing money because maize seed now costs more, but the benefits are not there anymore. And that's where our research impacts.